Everybody here, you were born with a nature of sin. Which means you are not just coming to this world and you make a decision. I want to feel holy. And you enter holiness. It is in you. You don't teach a young child to steal whatever, whether those sweets or cakes or condensed milk. Now I'm showing my generation. I hope condensed milk is still there. But I've not seen some Gold Cross and some Nestles. Are they there? Praise be to God. I must visit it again and remember my youth. Nobody teaches this child to steal. Why is the child stealing? Even knows that I must hide this when mommy comes. When daddy comes, I must hide. Because something in the child says, this is wrong. I did not ask it from mommy. And mommy would say, what are you hiding there? Why? He was born with a nature of sin. And this nature is it's a fallen nature. When Adam and Eve sinned in the Garden of Eden, the nature of sin befell man. But that was not the creation of God. That was not the intention of God. God did not intend you to fall into that sinful nature. But sin brought this sinful nature.